Hey everybody, Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm here at this property in Woodbine in South Nashville, where we buy properties with cash, buy properties as is, where the seller doesn't have to lift another finger. And so in this case, cold, wintry time of year, and they were not really looking to move this time of year, wanted to have control over the timeline. So we put a deal in place that'll have them actually moving in the spring. But in the meantime, we can put a plan in place. And so if you too are looking to sell maybe this spring, give us a call now and we can get a deal in place, put a timeline in place where you don't have to deal with this snow, but you can prepare and be ready to go when the time is right. We'll do it around your convenience. We'll make it simple, easy, sell the home for cash as is. And we'll see you soon at a place near you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.